You got the stuff?
It's right here.
Much you want for it?
$50.
50? What about $10?
Hell no. I got business to do, man. It's a 50 or nothing.
Dude, my family just died, dude. Including my dog, dude. You know how much painful I've been through, though. Show me some love, man.
What? You need more than I do.
Bye.